Alright, so in the last video, we talked about borders. Alright, now I want to talk about box sizing. So I'm creating a new HTML file called box.sizing.html. Alright, and let me just go to it. So box.sizing.html. Alright, now in here we just want to put a simple boilerplate. So head, title, we'll say box sizing. Alright, then what we want to put is make this smaller just a bit, and then below we're going to have a body. Inside of today's body, we're just going to quickly put an h2, and I'm going to say box sizing. Alright, and reload. There we go. Alright, I have my live server open, so below the title I'm going to have a style tag. Inside the style tag, I just want to do a quick reset. So we're going to do margin 0, padding 0, and then the font family stuff. So font family sans serif. There you go, the font's fixed. Now, so basically, what we're going to do, so you may not understand this immediately, but you might in a second. So we're going to do dot, so we're going to create a class, that's Emmet shortcut for div. So we're going to do div with the class original dash box. Alright? Then we're going to have another div with the class scale dash box. Alright? So, what we're going to see from here in just a second is when I style these. So we're going to put inside of these a p tag, which this is an example text. And then in here we're going to have a p tag, this is an example text. So we're going to have the exact same. These two boxes are going to have the exact same styling at the beginning. So we're going to do original dash box. Inside the original box, we're going to just give a background color of green, yellow. Yeah, that's fine. It's kind of hard to see, so I'm just going to give it blue or blue violet or purple, whichever looks nice. Orange, I'll just say. Orange. There we go. Then we're going to give this padding of exactly, so let me just see what's going on. So we're going to give it padding of 20 pixels, right? And then I'm going to give it a width of just 300 pixels. There, okay? So we want to copy this and put the exact same thing on scale. Now let me just remove, so we don't want the padding here, okay? That is exactly it. Now look, just notice this. So before padding, all right, let me just change the color. There. So before we put padding, which is our original box right here, it's about here. That's 300 pixels. But this red box for some reason extended. So this is what box sizing talks about. Is that without box sizing, right? Box sizing, which is border box, which we're gonna apply soon. Your boxes, so like when you apply padding to an element, it's adding to the width of it. So we added 20 pixels of padding, it added 20 pixels. Now if we were to do 1 pixel, still you can kind of see that. 2, 4, see as I let go, is adding. So you can start seeing that eventually it's just keep on adding to the width of the box, which is not very good. Right, because once we get into containers and stuff, you'll start to notice that this isn't very good. So, now if we were to put, if we gave the scale box, right, a class of box that's sizing, border box, voila, it's the exact same length. Now let me just comment this out, and let's give this box a border of 2 pixels. Let's just give it a border of 2 pixels solid. Let's give it a black border. Alright, did you just notice? Alright, look. So what we're going to do is, so if I'm just going to remove this for a second quickly. Watch. Look at it before border, right? And then be very careful when I save. 3, 2, 1. it just added to the border, right, of this. So this is our original box and all. Now, as you can see that this example text that we have, right, and this box right here, we just added to the width of it. So once we re-enable border box, alright, and for some reason my site's not gonna respond, just a second. There we go, okay? Look at it. With just applying border box, this thing got back to its original size. So that's what border box attempts to do, is that's not for padding, border, and stuff like that to add to the original width, alright? So, exactly, so I hope that you start to understand exactly what's going on when this type of stuff occurs, because when it adds and adds and adds, we don't know that, and then when we look at our website, we're like, this doesn't look right, alright? So that's something that you really want to pay attention to actually make sure that everything's going right according to plan, and by adding box sizing. Now, we added box sizing just to this box, alright? If I was to give this a padding of 20 pixels, it didn't apply here. So we can take this box sizing and put it with our reset. Now, everything inside of this whole entire web page or website is going to have border box, a box sizing. I mean, the box sizing to be border box, alright? So I hope that you understand what box sizing is, and if you have any question, please make sure to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.